Fulfilling orders on Shopify involves several steps to ensure a smooth and efficient process for delivering products to your customers. Here's how to do it. Access orders. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Orders section to view all incoming orders. Review orders. Review each order to confirm the details, including products purchased, shipping address, and payment information. Prepare items. Gather the products from your inventory and package them securely for shipping. Ensure that the items are in good condition and include any necessary packaging materials, such as bubble wrap or packing peanuts. Mark as fulfilled. Once the items are packaged and ready to ship, mark the order as fulfilled in your Shopify dashboard. You can do this manually or use Shopify's bulk fulfillment option to fulfill multiple orders at once. Generate shipping labels. If you're using Shopify Shipping or a third-party shipping provider integrated with Shopify, you can generate shipping labels directly from the platform. Print the labels and attach them to the packages. Ship orders. Drop off the packages at the designated shipping carrier or schedule a pickup for convenience. Ensure that the packages are shipped within the specified time frame to meet customer expectations. Update tracking information. After shipping, update the order status with tracking information to provide customers with real-time updates on their shipment status.